Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing / unwrapping the Christmas presents I got last year. I know it's a bit late, but we're gonna do it anyways. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first gift I received is a gas bag. It's a Quincy bag in the color stone featuring gold metal straps. I'm really loving the white and gold color combination lately. I've already used it once and it's quite spacious, allowing me to fit a lot of items. Okay. The next present is a t-shirt from THOMPSON. It's an extra small size and hasn't been worn yet. I really like the elephant print on the chest area. Next, I received a Dior lipstick, specifically the Dior Addict Shine Lipstick in the shade 976P Dior. According to the Dior website, this lipstick is designed to provide 6 hours of wear and shine along with 24-hour hydration. It is infused with jasmine floral lip care. Additionally, it is refillable, making it an eco-friendly and sustainable choice. This is the most adorable gift I have received. It's called Aroma Teddy. Essentially, it's a teddy bear that contains fragrance and essential oils inside its body. The one I have emits a lovely lavender scent. This is a British rose set from the Body Shop. It seems like the set is available every year for the holiday season. I haven't had a chance to use any of the items yet, but I plan to save them for the later use. The set includes 4 items: a shower gel, a body yogurt, a loofah, and a hand cream. I have been given a couple of hand creams and this is one of them. It's the L'Occitane hand cream in the cherry blossom set. Another hand cream from the Body Shop. It is for dry skin. I was also gifted 2 items from Bath & Body Works, a body cream and a hand soap. I also received a Starbucks tumbler. Every year I usually receive at least one Starbucks tumbler as a Christmas gift. This year is no exception, and it also includes a Starbucks card. The last gift that we are going to unwrap is the 9 cocoa of GRINCHMAS. When I first unwrapped it, I thought they were teas, but it turns out they are a variety of cocoa flavors. I'm looking forward to trying them out as I really enjoy indulging in chocolate drinks. This set comes with 9 different flavors, so I'm eager to taste each one. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!